Go. Iko na to. Na long hair, na upo, na itlog na. Ngayon na sige, manaloto ka drive.
Hey food explorers! Welcome back to our kusina.
When we turn everyday eats into a scientific masterpiece. Welcome to Ninong Tat's Kusina.
And today we are cracking the code for the perfect sunny side up egg. Get ready for some sizzling science.
First, let's talk about our star ingredient, the egg. It's a complex emulsion, a mixture of two or more immiscible liquids. In this case, we have water, proteins, and fats all hanging out together. The yolk, that golden sphere, is where the most of the fats reside, while the whites are mainly water and proteins like valbumin.
Valbumin is a protein found in egg white that makes up about 55% of the total protein. It's also found in the egg yolk, eggshell, and the vitelline membrane.
Now, the magic happens when we apply heat. We're essentially denaturing the proteins. Think of proteins like tightly coiled balls of yarn. Heat causes them to unravel and then link together, forming a solid structure. This is called coagulation.
Extreme temperature, pH, and salt concentration can change or destroy the structure of a protein, and consequently change or destroy its activity. An egg provides a good example of how heat can change the structure of proteins. Proteins are found in both the egg white and yolk, and these proteins have different structures in raw versus cooked eggs. Let's consider the proteins in an egg white. In their native uncooked state, the proteins are chains of amino acids that fold into complex shapes. Several types of bonds form between amino acids in a chain, stabilizing the structure of the protein. When the egg is cooked, the heat makes the molecules vibrate. The bonds linking the amino acids in chains are strong covalent bonds that withstand the heat. However, most of the bonds that stabilize the three-dimensional structure of the protein are weak bonds which break more easily, allowing the proteins to unravel. The destruction of a protein's three-dimensional structure is known as denaturation. When two unfolded proteins make contact, they form new bonds with each other. A large net of interconnected proteins forms, and the egg hardens. Light can no longer penetrate the egg, which is why the clear portion of the egg turns white.
We're using a pan and a little oil. The oil helps transfer heat evenly and prevents sticking, but it also plays a role in controlling the Maillard reaction.
The Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that occurs with heat. It's responsible for the delicious browning and complex flavors in many foods, including our egg. It's not just about color, it's about taste.
Now, let's talk salt. A pinch of salt not only enhances flavor, but also affects protein structures. The sodium ions in salt interacts with the protein, causing them to coagulate faster, resulting in a firmer egg white.
But timing is key. Adding salt too early can draw out moisture, leading to a watery texture. We add it towards the end for optimal results.
pritong itlog.
And there you have it, a perfectly cooked sunny-side-up egg, brought to you by the wonders of molecular gastronomy. We've explored emotions, protein denaturation, the Maillard reaction, and the impact of ions on protein coagulation.
Sarap live! Ito mo? Ang sarap! Boy! Tikman mo to, boy! Ang sarap ah!
Tignan mo. Tignan mo.
Ano ba to? Ano boy? Sarap? Wow! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Like,
subscribe
and hit that notification bell
for more food science adventures.
Na long hair, na upaw, na itlog. Ganda sige, naluto agad rin. Buhay na. Anaon. Ha? Bilikid. Sorry boss. Kisa mo, ninong rice na tunda. Ah, di ba ako? Pull. Katawa pull.